Now that you are all thorough with the conjugation of the ER verb, do you remember another verb that I already taught you? Yes, the etre verb. What does etre mean? It means to be. Do you remember the conjugation? Shall we refresh it once more? Etre, to be. So, I taught you how to present yourself. So how would you say, I am a student? You would say, je suis étudiant. So, for je, the etre conjugation is suis. Je suis. So, when you present yourself, you would say, je suis. For tu, it is tu es. For il, do you remember? It is il est. For elle, it is elle est. For nous, it is nous sommes. Do you remember what was the conjugation for vous? Yes, it is vous êtes. For il, it is ils sont. And for elle, it is elles sont. I hope you remember this. Let us say it once again. Je suis, which means I am. Tu es, which means you are. Il est, which means he is. So you can create many simple sentences using just this. For example, as I already told you, je suis étudiant. Tu es, for example, if you want to say you are Indian, tu es Zambien. So, elle est means she is. Nous sommes, we are. Nous sommes. Vous êtes is you are. Ils sont means they are. And elles sont also means they are. So I already taught you this verb. It's just a recap. So there is another verb that is a very important verb which we are going to learn today. It is the avoir verb. Avoir. It is pronounced avoir. It means to have. To have. Avoir. So are you ready to learn the conjugation for the avoir verb? For je, it is a. But I think you would have noticed there is a vowel clash here. So we remove e and replace it with an apostrophe. Je. So, je means I have. For tu, it is a. Tu as. Je, tu as. Il a. Elle a. Je, tu as. Il a. Elle a. Nous. For nous, it is nous avons. A-V-O-N-S. Nous avons. For vous, it is vous avez. Vous avez. Nous avons. Vous avez. Ils sont. Elles sont. Elles. So, shall we say it again? Je. I have. Je means I have. Tu as, which means you have. Tu as. Il a means he has. Elle a, it means she has. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a. Now, nous avons. You must have guessed. What does nous avons mean? It means we have. We have. Vous avez. It means you have. Ils ont means they have. And elles ont means they have. So once again, let us see the conjugation for this verb, avoir verb, which means to have. So for je, it is ai. Since there is a vowel clash here, we include an apostrophe. So j'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. So you should keep practicing this verb. It is a bit different, just like the etre verb. It is not the same like the er verb. So etre and avoir are two important verbs that you need to learn. Now, using this expression. So we are learning to present ourselves. I told you how to say your name. What would you say? You would say, je m'appelle. Je m'appelle, and you would say your name, right? Je m'appelle. So using the etre verb, I told you how to say you are a student. So how would you say? Je suis. Je suis étudiant. So I am a student. So this is the etre verb. Etre verb. For je, we say suis. This is how we apply it in a sentence. Now, to say your age. In English, for example, say you are 15 years old. In English, you would say, I am 15 years old. But in French, we say, j'ai 15 ans. J'ai. This is the expression we use to say our age. We do not say I am, we say I have. So this is slightly different from the English. So we say j'ai. So what would we say for 15? We have been learning numbers, right? I hope you remember what we say for the number 15. So yes, it is 15. This means years. Okay? So j'ai 15 ans. J'ai 15 ans. It means I am 15 years old. So we can now present ourselves. We have learned 3 sentences. So say it along with me. Je m'appelle, whatever your name, say your name there. Je suis étudiant. J'ai 15 ans, or whatever your age is. So you can try saying your age. You have learned numbers up to 40. So now I hope you will all be able to present yourself, these 3 sentences. We will be learning more sentences, and at the end you will be able to speak French fluently.